Yo, what's going on, everyone? It's Ryan FX here, back with another video. We're going to be going over GBPJPY for everyone that's interested in trading Forex. Just wants to maybe get better at trading GBPJPY. So let's get in this video. Hopefully, we'll get your win rate up, and let's get at it. So first of all, I guess what we're going to be talking about is breakouts. So just I'm on the 5 minute right now. So first, you want to identify some trends, market direction. You can tell right here. Oh snap! You can't even see that. My bad. I changed my background color. You can tell right here we're kind of moving down. Price is moving down. So, what does that mean? Well, that means at some point there's going to be a reversal. So let's mark out a trend line. You can see we're getting the wicks here. Getting this wick there, starting from the top, one touch, two touch, well, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 touch, and we break out here with strong buyer volume. So that's when I'm entering longs. Stop loss over here, and first take profit is at the 2 risk to reward level, and next take profit I'd be targeting these highs up here. So bam, and that would be a 3RR trade. Again, now from this point, what is price doing? You can tell right there. Kind of started to, well, obviously price started to move up. So after we got out of this trade at the highs here, we're going to wait till we start coming back down, because let's take a look on the higher time frames. Let's see if this trade would be okay. Yeah, I would see it. You'd want to identify market trend. We've been moving down from there, and it still seems as if we're in a downtrend. We kind of tried to push up here, but we just couldn't really do it. Started to come back down. So let's see. Yeah, I kind of couldn't really respect this resistance on the high level, or the high time frames. So we kind of wicked into it and started to come back down. So yeah, I could see potential short positions. So I would be looking out on the break of that, which it did happen here. And once that happens, you could see we got some good selling pressure there. So we entered off the half, stop loss over here, and I'd be targeting again 2 risk to reward, and then my final take profit, I'd be looking to take out this area, and move my stop loss to break even, of course. So yeah, that's what I'd be looking at. Let's see what else. So if we go back a little bit here, we could even tell for our short positions. Just go ahead and take that and drag it up. Kind of broke there. So what I'd be doing is looking for this area, get in my sell positions, stop loss here at the highs, take profit, first take profit at the 2 risk reward point. Then I'd be looking at to take out these lowish areas. So that would result in a 5 risk reward trade. And then if you were to trim there, sell most of your position, put stop loss at break even, and look for an even deeper trade. That is totally up to you. You could have even targeted these lows, or those lows, and that would have been a great trade for you, to say the very least. So let's keep looking, and let's try and find ourselves another trade. So you can even tell right here, got this little area right there where we did break out, and stop loss right there. Oh, see, we actually would have got wicked out there. Yeah, we would have been tricked. It's okay though, it happens. You could also use breaks of support. You can see we had support there, multiple touches, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 touches there. You see we're able to come back down And this is where premium and discounted pricing comes into play. See if I can whip the gone box out. Oh, can't even see that. Okay. Let me change the settings real quick. I'll just make it blue, aqua, and then do black, black, and change these to blue and blue. Alright. It's a little, still not that visible, but a little more visible. You could tell right here, we never really got into that discounted pricing. We've always just been in that premium. So yeah, it wasn't looking too great if we were at these lows. And at this area, we would have been actually in a perfect area for our premium and discounted zones. We would have got an amazing entry on short positions here. So you could see price started push down, kind of came back up, and this is where we would enter. We would enter off the 50% on the gone box for shorts. So right there. Stop loss, wherever you like to place it. I personally would have placed it around there and targeted the bottom of the premium pricing. So probably targeting these lows over here. Once these lows did get broken, I actually would have added to my position as well, just to chase further down, because that's just another indication that the market wants to keep moving down. GBPJPY wants to keep selling off. So I would have added into my position there, and I would have left my original, I would have moved my original position stop loss to break even, or even into profit at that, as a matter of fact, and we would have been able to play that a little bit better. So yeah, that's what I would have been looking for. And once again, see if that wouldn't be. Let's just move in. Yeah, we had a big boner candle to the downside right here. So it made this trend line a little bit more whack. But let's see. Yeah, even if you were there, it still would have been a little whack. I probably wouldn't have taken that, to be honest. And another thing is that I like to add on my positions is I probably would have added into my position one time here on this long. So we went back to the long. I would have added back into my position probably right there. And a reason for that is because we had a break structure, just an indication to continuation to the upside. Would have probably bought in again there, and it would have resulted in a great trade, and it would have been even more money. And I would have done the same thing I mentioned last time, moving the original position stop loss to break even and cashing out the trade, or even putting that stop loss in a profit. So I hope this video helped, and if it did, leave a like. If you want to mention something or ask for another tutorial on anything else, you can go ahead and comment that in the description. Any questions, how to set up a brokerage account. I have a question for you guys. Does anybody know how to get rid of this activate Windows? I got a new processor and a new motherboard, so I think something happened with the Windows activation, whatever. I don't know. That's why I'm asking, but hope you guys all have a good night, and hope this video helped. Have a good one.